Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Nissan Leaf battery. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and turned off. A battery reset can often resolve minor glitches or inaccurate range estimations. It's a useful step before considering more complex diagnostics. We'll cover the simple steps to perform this, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. This can help optimize your Leaf's performance and battery reporting. Before starting, prioritize safety. Always wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from electrical currents. Locate your Nissan Leaf's 12-volt auxiliary battery, typically found under the hood. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. This ensures the vehicle's electrical system is completely de-energized, preventing any accidental shorts or damage during the reset procedure. Once the terminals are disconnected, wait for at least 15 minutes. This allows any residual charge in the system to dissipate completely. Next, briefly touch the disconnected positive and negative cables together. This helps to clear any stored error codes or memory. Finally, reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are tightened securely. Your battery system should now be reset. After reconnecting, start your Nissan Leaf and let it run for a few minutes. The vehicle's systems will recalibrate, and you might notice initial changes in the battery display. Monitor your battery's performance and range over the next few charging cycles to confirm the reset's effectiveness. Regular maintenance, like checking terminal connections, can also prolong battery health. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.